UMT School of Architecture and Planning is offering programs that are fully accredited from National Accrediting Council, Pakistan Council of Architects and Town Planners, and in line with quality requirements of Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. I feel proud to share that our faculty and students have won multiple design competitions, planning and community engagement projects, and publishing awards.
School of Architecture and Planning have students from all around the Pakistan.
I am currently a student at the UMT School of Architecture and Planning, and my experience is really good here. So the state-of-art facilities and the collaborative design studio makes it easier for the students to work within the group projects.
We are not only teaching the students how to design and build, but to create an impact on the world surrounding them.
Whether you are interested in architecture, urban planning, or in landscape design, we offer a range of programs to suit your interests and goals.
At School of Architecture and Planning, we share passion for creating beautiful, functional, sustainable spaces for improving lives.
I highly recommend the School of Architecture and Planning of UMT to the students who are passionate about architecture and design.